Sunday, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be about one of my favorite topics, that's talking about skincare. I have been doing quite a bit about skincare on my YouTube channel and also on my Instagram page. So if you're not already following me there, I highly request for you to keep in touch because I will be posting a lot about skin and health on my page more regularly. So coming into today's video, I think one of the biggest and the most common queries that I receive is about acne marks. So a lot of people, by using dietary changes, lifestyle changes, are able to get their acne in check, but the stubborn acne marks, even though they are extremely protective in nature and they are just the body's defense mechanism to protect you against damage, let's be real, it's a little annoying, a little irritating, and all of us are trying to find out different ways to deal with it. So I'm here to help you with one of the products that I've recently found in the market, and I'm so excited to be sharing about its nitty-gritty with you and just help you understand why you could possibly introduce this one serum in your routine if you're trying to help your sensitive skin, oily skin, acne prone skin, acne scars, and a lot of other things. So the product that I am talking about by TDC, the Dermaco. And before I get into why I love this product so much, let me help you a few things about niacinamide and how it can help your skin. I love nodding out when it comes to such products and just seeing what are the ingredients and how is it going to be really, really helpful for my skin. So when we talk about niacinamide, it's a form of vitamin B3, which is also present in one of my most favorite fruits, that's avocados. Vitamin B3 has been clinically proven to be helpful with something like large pores, fading away acne marks, and also preventing acne. So when I look into the serum, what attracts me apart from niacinamide is also the fact that it's infused with zinc, cica water, and Centella asiatica. All of them are one of my most favorite ingredients to be found in a product because they all work like magic for my skin. Now my skin can always rotate between combination to normal and sometimes sensitive. I can find myself sensitive to certain products available out there. But when you look into zinc, it's also going to help you with the sebum production. It's going to help you have that refined skin, and it also diminishes the severity of acne. Cica water to me is just extremely soothing and calming. It can also help you with inflammation, and same goes for Centella asiatica. Looking further, this product also promises to be paraben free, sulfate free, mineral oil free, and dye free. So it's going to be great for people who find themselves sensitive to such ingredients. For me personally, I'm not someone who is going to run after the marketing of paraben free because I completely, totally understand the importance of this ingredient in the skincare and cosmetic products, and I'm absolutely okay with certain amounts of it being present in my product. Now coming back to the product, this is how the bottle looks like. I love the fact that it comes with a dropper. It also mentions 10% niacinamide serum, and a lot of people can feel like that amount and that percentage can be very, very irritating for your skin. Now just with my personal use and experience, I have put it on my skin. I put it on my skin this morning. I have been using this gorgeous serum in my morning and nighttime skincare routine. I just like to use 2 to 3 drops of it. You can always increase or decrease the product dependent on how well your skin tolerates it. I would just like to tell you that the product is available on the dermaco.com alongside Nykaa, Amazon, and Flipkart. You can find the links for all of these things in the description box down below. And do not forget to use my discount code Ankita20 to get a few bucks off. So now I only have niacinamide serum on my face, and I'm just going to go in with a little bit of moisturizer. And once I'm extremely good with the moisturizer, I'm going to go in with my sunscreen and seal the deal. And I absolutely do not find myself sensitive to the amount and the percentage of niacinamide that is found in this bottle. But if you do feel that way, really try to use this product on alternate days with little amounts and just see how it works with your skin. If you're someone who is extremely, extremely sensitive to that higher percentage of niacinamide, then you will have to do your own math there. But personally, for me, I can have a little bit of sensitive skin combined with combination skin, and I personally did not find myself reacting even zero point 0.1 bit to this. So I'm really hoping that it works the same for your skin. You can always pair this with your vitamin serum if needed. You can wear it in the AM time, PM time. You can wear it before your moisturizer, before your sunscreen, and it is always recommended for you to be wearing sunscreen if you are wearing niacinamide. Niacinamide is not really going to be ineffective in sun exposure like how retinols would be. That can be damaging to your skin, but you can safely wear this. I personally wear it in the AM and PM PM time these days. Not that I've been just trying and testing how this product is going to work for my skin. I very safely wear it before I head out for my workout, and I'm absolutely okay with it. So overall, I highly strongly recommend this product for all of my male and female besties out there who are trying to just sort of, be a step ahead in their skincare journey, prevent acne, manage acne scars, fade away acne scars, control sebum production, and just keep their skin in check. I really recommend you trying out this product once. You get about 50 ml for below 1,000 rupees, which I feel is such a good, beautiful deal. I also love the fact about how scientific this is and how you can see the percentage of niacinamide rightly mentioned just on the bottle, just on the cover. And I really appreciate the honesty. So if you're someone who is going to be sort of looking into trying a new serum, and if you're experimenting with skincare, I really feel that this is going to be a good place. And this video is in collaboration with TDC, so thank you so much to them for sponsoring this video. And if you are going to be buying the product, you can use my discount code mentioned down below, Ankita20. Until next time, take care of yourself. Thank you for being here. Bye.